tornado warning remains in effect for northern Sumner County until 10 p.m. CDT, tornado emergency for Conway Springs. At 9:32 p.m. CDT, a confirmed large, violent and extremely dangerous tornado was located 5 miles southwest of Conway Springs and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, deadly tornado. Impact, this is a life-threatening situation. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is likely. Many well-built homes and businesses will be completely swept from their foundations. Debris will block most roadways. Mass devastation is highly likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, seek shelter now.